Hi, this is Tom, and in this video we're going to factor this rational expression. There's a few different approaches that one might take, and I will show you both. The first one that I think you'll find is probably the easiest, well, the first one that requires the least amount of work, is to notice this, notice that you have a common factor. So you have here we have, actually I'm sorry, I misspoke, we have a greatest common factor, GCF. In this case, it's right here. It's the 2x minus 5. And it's over here as another 2x minus 5. So what we can do is we can factor out the 2x minus 5. So I'm going to factor out the 2x minus 5, that in parentheses. Then I'm going to use brackets for the sake of clarity. Well, when I do that, I have left an x plus 4 minus an x minus 1. That whole quantity is still divided by 3 times 2x minus 5. Now, the next thing I can do is, notice now I can simply cancel. I can cancel out the 2x minus 5. So let's do that. We cancel out the 2x minus 5s, and that'll make the problem a little bit cleaner as we proceed. Now, in the numerator here, to remove the parentheses, all I have to do is distribute through. Well, the first set of parentheses only have a 1, so they just become x plus 4. If I distribute the negative sign, this becomes a minus x minus a negative 1. That's really just a positive 1. My denominator is still 3, so let's rewrite. Let's keep that in mind. And then when I simplify, I have, here's an x minus an x, so those cancel, and then I have a 4 plus 1. Well, 4 plus 1, I'll just write down what I have left, over 3, so I have 5/3. Okay, now let's assume that you didn't see that. You can just multiply all of this together, and so we're going to do that. It becomes 2x squared. So what I'm doing is I'm distributing, and well, just to help keep track, we'll do this in blue. So I'm going to show you what we're doing. I'm distributing the 2x to the x, and then that's going to give, I'll write it down here, erase this. Okay. Now what I can do is I can distribute the 2x to the x. That's going to give me a 2x squared. Then I'm going to multiply the 2x by the 4. So that's going to be plus 8x plus 8x. And I keep going. Now I'm going to distribute the negative 5 to the x. That's going to be minus 5x. And here I have a minus 5 times a positive 4 for a minus 20. Now that I'm going to have minus, I'm going to get a new result in here. But we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go 2x times the x. That's going to give me the 2x squared. Then I'm going to take a 2x, multiply it by the negative 1. It's going to be minus 2x. Okay, then we go to the negative 5, and we distribute that to the x. So that's minus 5x. And then we take the negative 5, distribute it to the negative 1. That's going to be a positive 5. I'm going to leave my denominator as it is. 3, 2x minus 5. Now I'm going to bring my screen up. Now let's combine like terms. I have 2x squared plus, here's an 8x minus 5x. So I could clean that up to a 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. And then now I'm going to distribute the minus. So this becomes a minus 2x squared. And a minus a negative 2x becomes a plus 2x. Minus a negative 5x is plus 5x. And then a minus positive 5 becomes a minus 5. Take that quantity, I'm going to divide it by 3 times 2x minus 5. Okay, again we have some like terms here, so we're going to combine some more. We have like terms. That's the 5x here, 2x here, and let's actually combine all of these at once, and the 3x. Okay, we're going to have a few other things happening as well. Here we have a 2x squared. Here we have a negative 2x squared. We add those together to get 0. So that cancels. With the x terms, I have a 3x plus 2x, that's 5x, plus 5x more, it's 10x. So now I have 10x, and then I have a minus 20 minus 5. That's going to be a minus 25. Now, when I still have over 3 times 2x minus 5. Now, notice here I have a greatest common factor of 5. So I take out the 5, and I'm left with 2x minus 5 over 3 times 2x minus 5. But now I have common factors, and I can cancel those. So let's do that. I'll do that using some red. So cancel my 2x minus 5s, and I'm left with an answer of 5/3. Notice we took a different route, but we still got to the same result. Thank you.